No, I'm not sure about the screw here. Just want the gray away, right?
Then we'll just have to get underneath here and sand it too a bit.
Yeah.
Right.
No, I want to do this. Get this done. This all has to come off. And this too. Oh, this is gonna look so nice. No? So you want underneath too, right?
Mm-hmm.
Holy moly, look at it. I love this. So we need to do the doors too now. Hey?
That's another project which we'll get at.
So it needs a couple of coats.
Yep.
Well, guess what? Look at that. Doors came off going into the cockpit. Dave is sanding them already, and here we are staining them. It took a day of just putting around, doing some sanding, staining, but everything looks beautiful now. Love how this looks now. Cockpit doors are done, ready for a little snack and coffee. Enjoy.